Guarantee shit.
What up, bro? Shit, hey, I'm trying to make some friends out of this big game. Ready for it now.
Yeah, fool, man. What's good, YouTube? So, back at y'all with another video. Hey, I just ran across, y'all probably wonder why I got this money in my hand. Just ran across a sweet ass deal. Finna go pick up this LS motor. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but hey, I couldn't pass the deal up. Motor and trans. But yeah, I'm gonna pick up this LS motor to put in one of the cars. I don't know if we're gonna put it in the Monte Carlo, the T-top Monte Carlo, or we're gonna put it in the 96 SS. Y'all just gotta stay tuned to see which car we put it in. So y'all gotta keep watching my videos. So, but I'm gonna take y'all along for the ride, and yeah, we're gonna go pick up this motor, man, and we're gonna try to make some horsepower out of it. But I'm about to grab food first, and then we're gonna get on this road, shoot down to Star, South Carolina, go pick up this LS motor and trans to go in one of the cars. So y'all stay tuned. Well, I'm finna bust this down, you hear me?
It's getting serious on this track, fam.
This man and
Boy, you get a tractor motor, you can get this.
I'll get a tractor motor, man.
But what if it don't work, bro?
But what don't work?
The motor.
Well, I'm gonna come back out here, but we got some problem with them motherfuckers. We have some problem. Man, we gonna drop that thing in one of these cars. We don't know what car we gonna drop it in yet, but hey, just know when we pull that motherfucker out, the ass single. Hey, hey. How that big gonna shake when we got to hit the gas on that video? How that big gonna shake?
Duke shooter gonna go to shake
Hey, we gonna let Trey pick the motor up by himself and put it on the back of the truck.
Bobby eat them collard greens. Alright. Give me a little spinach like Popeye and shit. I'll be ready.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I got the fishing spots.
Yeah, we done seen a bunch of fishing spots. So I know y'all watched the fishing video. We gonna definitely be bringing y'all some more goddamn fishing videos soon. We just gotta scope out some more spots, so we gonna sneak in somebody's pond one or two. Y'all know some ponds we can sneak in, tag it in the damn description. We'll sneak in the pond as long as y'all give us some views and a thumb up and subscribe to the channel. We ain't going to jail though, y'all. Don't try to goddamn dime us out when we get out there now.
I'm running.
See, I'm running too.
I'll leave whole fish and everything, but I gotta get the fuck up out of there. Goddamn.
There she is. Yeah, getting it all loaded up. Got the tray up there working. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the LS motor loaded on the truck. Stop for a little break. Shit, thanks to goddamn Trey. Oh, we got it loaded on here, man. So we gonna get this thing back to the house. Nah, yeah, I ain't worried about that little leak. But yeah, we gonna get it back to the house. It's that old Georgia sunset. Made it back. Yes, sir. Ah, this is a long trip. Y'all saw how daylight, it was daylight when we left, man. Yeah, not a sunset, man. I don't even know if I'm gonna get this motor off my truck tonight. I might leave that thing back there. I might cover it up and leave it back there. Yes, sir. Headed to the house. You Yes, sir, guys. So we made it back home. Man, it's a little trip. It's a little hot, man. We made it home. Made it back safe and sound. We gonna get it cleaned up. Don't worry about how dirty it is right now. We gonna get it cleaned up. But and guess what, guys? Guess where it's going then? That baby clean. All the way out of Portland, Oregon. You don't find this clean no more. Glass house. Yeah, I've been sitting on this one for a little minute. But yeah, it's time to put that work in. I did a little. For all my car guys, y'all know what this is, man. 96 Impala. Glass house. I'm gonna give y'all a full spin of this thing probably tomorrow or something, but yeah. LS motor, 96 Impala. Hey, y'all stay tuned for the build. I'm gonna be doing everything myself right here in the garage. I'll probably start tearing down the LT1 that's in here. Let me see if this thing is unlocked. See if this thing unlocked. See what's going on. So yeah. Pop the hood, see what we got in here. Right now we got LT1 350. If anybody want to buy this LT1 350, comment, let me know. I'll sell it. It has about 130,000 miles on it. I'd rather do an LS motor. So we're gonna clean this whole engine bay. Clean the whole engine bay once I get that LT1 out of there. Clean the whole engine bay. Make it look nice and pretty. I never, ever have done an LS swap. But, hey, it's the first time for everything. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? That, you know what I'm saying? It don't run. I just take it to somebody and pay somebody to do it the right way. But if I do figure out how to do it, then I can charge y'all for it. What's wrong? If you're interested in buying the motor out of the SS, the 96 Impala, it's the LT1 350 4L60E transmission, let me know. I'll post how to get in contact with me in the description. Yo, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Hey, also share this video if you know anybody that wants to follow along with the build, maybe thinking about doing an LS swap or just curious to see what I'm doing with my LS swap. Share it. Yeah, information is valuable. I ain't holding nothing back. When I do the swap, I'm gonna put y'all on everything. Everything I had to buy for this swap, I'll put it, I'm gonna list it. So y'all just stay tuned, follow me, roll with me. Let's go.